This should be a Bluetooth speaker, slightly more than the usual $1 things. It was like $5. Yeah. It's supposed to be a present or something for somebody or something or whatever, you know, like, man. And let's see how it arrived. It's from a Japanese sounding brand, but it's actually European, made in China. So yeah, Akyta Sensei, Akyta. I don't know. I don't speak Japanese. Man, I just got this. This annoys the hell out of me. Come on. Yeah, okay. Another packaging. And inside there is another packaging. Yeah, now we got to the official retail packaging. The other two were just for transport. This seems really nice. Kind of heavy. Like 300, 400 grams. That's interesting. Made in China. And Gimex Solutions SRL. That's a Romanian company. So it's imported from China. Yeah, but this seems really nice. It has a memory card reader and a stick reader. So let's just unbox it quickly. It's not even sealed. Why? So you just open it like a caveman. And the bottom is sealed. The top is free. Okay. Wow, it's all metallic. This feels quite nice in the hand. This is nice. And yeah, it has all the features. Come on, focus. Yeah, upside down. 3 watts, 5 volts, China, on off. M, I don't know what that stands for. This is volume or skip a song, play, pause. So yeah, here's the memory card slot. And it has no USB. I was under the impression that it has a USB too. So it only supports a memory card, not an actual flash drive. Okay, that's no problem. Man, this feels nice. Let's turn it on maybe. Nah, no such luck. It has no juice. Yeah, okay. I will have to try it out.